Okay, well today I'm going to be picking this lock here, which is a nice Kryptonite lock sent to me by THANKS DELLBOY1987. So thanks mate for the lock. I have had this one for a while now. I just haven't got around to actually picking it on camera, so I'm going to do it for you now. Top of the keyway tension on this one. Okay, we've got it picked there, but I've lost the tension wrench. Let's try and keep some tension on it with the pick. Okay, there we go. That's the Kryptonite spp'd. Here we have the bitting on the key. I'll just show you it's working with the key. So thanks for watching. Keep watching, so we'll be posting some more videos soon. Please leave your comments and please rate the video. Cheers.